Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, my name is Muhammad Syabil Bisaul Hamid and my metric number is 308234. So, this is my assignment 2 application video demonstration for STTPK 2143 application programming. So, the application is called Homestay2U Malaysia. So, it was developed using Flutter and retrieved homestay information from the API provided by Sir Hanis in the assignment instruction sheet. So first, I will launch the application. So this is the home screen for the Homestay2U Malaysia application. So the main screen contains an app bar with the application title Homestay2U Malaysia. Will contain a search section and a list of homestay. So the application used a consistent blue theme, readable text, cards, icon, and suitable spacing for mobile user. So when the application starts, it sends a GET request to provided Homestay2U Malaysia API. So a loading indicator is displayed while the application waits for the API response. So we continue with the cards. So each card display a homestay image, a homestay name, estate, district, description, and the minimum price. So the data is not hard-coded. It is retrieved directly from the API and converted from JSON into the homestay model object. So each API request has a fixed result limit of 20 records. Next, I will demonstrate the functions. So I will enter keywords such as Johor. Then I can press the search button here. So the result is the Homestay Kampung Peropot located at Johor and also Homestay Kampung Melayu located at Johor. So the application send the keyword to the API using the search query parameter and reload the list with matching results. So if I press the clear icon here, the search keyword is removed and the normal homestay list is loaded again. So the application also handles search that do not return any results. For example, I will enter the keyword that is unlikely to exist, such as, for example, XYZ, and I tap the search button. So when the API returns an empty list, the application displays a message explaining about the no homestay found for XYZ. So this prevents the screen from appearing empty without an explanation. We continue with the additional features that I add in this application. So first, additional feature which is the homestay detail view. So I can tap my homestay card or press the view detail buttons here. So a scrollable dialog open and display more information about the selected homestay, including the state, district, town, address, price, descriptions, activities, amenities, contact, phone, and websites. So for the optional information is unavailable, for example, like phone and websites. So the application will display a not available keywords. For the second additional feature is pull to refresh. So I can pull the homestay list downward to refresh it. So the refresh indicator call the same API loading function and retrieve the latest available homestay data. The application displays a homestay image using the image URL provided by the APIs. So, if the image cannot be loaded, the application displays a fallback image icon instead of leaving a broken image area. So the application includes error handling for internet and server problem. So if the internet connection is unavailable or the API server cannot be reached, the application will display an appropriate error message and a try again buttons. For example, I will put a screenshot about this error handling example for this application. So for the conclusions, the Homestay2U Malaysia application fulfill the main assignment 2 requirement. So it can connect to the provided API, process JSON data, display homestay in a list view, search using the API, show loading progress, and handle empty result, also handle connection errors. It is also include the additional features such as a homestay detail view, pull to refresh, image display, a fixed result limit, and improve user interface. So that's all for the video demonstration from me. Thank you.